A bath and a half is just part of what sets the Omni BH35 apart from all the other Super Cs out there, and that is why it is a Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan. So let's fire up the 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8 with 330 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque and go somewhere. In the cockpit, you have every option you could ever need. 3-camera selectable mirror with audio, Ford Sync with AppLink, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, Mobileye collision and lane departure warning system, smart charging, and a trailer brake controller when you load up that 10,000-pound hitch. With camp setup, it's time to unwind and have some fun. Maybe even entertain. The BH35 offers you the dream dinette and a comfortable sofa. Spend the day or night in either place as they both easily make into a cozy bed. When you are ready for some entertainment, you'll find a TV with Blu-ray player, and you are going to love the natural light from the powered Skyview shade. You deserve a great kitchen, so the BH35 comes standard with a double bowl stainless steel sink set into solid surface countertops. This pop-up outlet always comes in handy, and you are going to love this setup. A dual burner gas cooktop with single burner induction cooktop along with your convection microwave. The Omni even comes standard with a residential fridge with ice maker. The BH stands for bath and a half, so let's check out the half bath. You'll find plenty of storage above and below your stainless steel sink. So check out this bedroom. You have a king bed and king-size closets. The nightstand features a USB charging center. Your TV is above and the app-enabled Bluetooth Coach radio system is below. In the master bath, you have your large shower with glass door and skylight. And notice all the counter space surrounding the stainless steel sink. The app-enabled multiplex wiring system is where you can set the auto gen start, adjust the climate, control slides, and check your tank levels. And because it's app-enabled, all the same great features found on the full-color touchscreen can be controlled from your favorite mobile device. And when you want a safe, secure internet connection, the Wi-Fi Ranger comes standard and the BH35 is prepped for solar. The Omni is also prepped for all your adventures on the exterior. With storage bays this big, the Omni can handle all your gear. Maybe you'll want to spend time under the power patio with LED lighting, watching the TV with soundbar and a swivel, or cook up family favorites thanks to the Quick Connect propane setup. When you're ready to go somewhere, anywhere, and everywhere, the Omni is ready. This is the Omni BH35. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.